So the fourth law is 4. X to the m over x to the n is equal to x to the m minus n if m is greater than n, and it is 1 over x n minus m, x n minus m if m is less than n, and it is equal to x to the 0, which is equal to 1 if m is equal to n. Okay. Now let us have an example. Letter A. Suppose we have x to the 10 over x to the 7. So by definition, the answer is x 10 minus 7, which is equals to x cubed. Okay, just as simple as that. We just follow the definition, the rule. Then suppose we have another one. We have letter B, quantity x plus 5 raised to the 5th over quantity x plus 5 raised to the 7th. So by definition again, the answer is 1 over quantity x plus 5. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Okay, just as simple as that. Now we will try this number, letter C. Suppose we have quantity 8x squared y cubed square over quantity 4x cubed and y to the 4th raised to the 3rd power. So the answer is, you square it, that would be 64. 8 times 8 is 64. Then x to the 2 times 2 is 4 raised to the 4. And then y, 3 times 2 equals 6 over cube of 4. 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. Then 3 times 3 is equal to x to the 9. And then 4 times 3 equals 12. Now, note that x to the 9 is bigger than x to the 4th, as well as y to the 12 against y to the 6. So the answer is, you can cancel 64. So what is left here is 1, over x to the 9 minus 4 is 5. And then 12 minus 6 is 6. So the answer is 1 over x to the 5, y to the 6. Okay. Do you find it a little bit difficult? I think as long as you can follow the procedure and always remember the definition, you will not get lost. Let us have the letter D, the next example. Shall we say we have, that is now letter D. Letter D is, suppose we have quantity 4x squared y to the 5th and z to the 4th raised to the cube over, we have, shall we say 8, and then x to the 5th, then y to the 4th, and then z square, and then raised to the 2nd power or square. So this is equal to 4 times 4, 16 times 4 is 64. So x 2 times 3 is 6. Y 5 times 3 equals 15. G 4 times 3 equals 12 over 8 times 2, 8 square, we have 8 square, or 8 times 8 equals 64. And then x to the 5 times 2 equals 10. And then y 4 times 2 equals 8. And then z 2 times 2 equals 4. Now note that x to the 6 is less than x to the 10. So we have to, now by the way, you can cancel na this one. So it is now, we have y is bigger than 8. So we have here at the upper level, you have y 15 minus 8. And also, we have z 12 minus 4. This is g. Over x 10 minus 6. And that's all. So, the answer is y 15 minus 8 is y to the 7th times g to the 12 minus 4 is 8 over x to the 10 minus 6 is 4. So the answer is y to the 7, g to the 8 over x to the 4th. So the solution is a little bit longer, but then as long as you remember the definition, you remember the law, the conditions, you will be guided in your steps. So you will get the right answer. So, okay. For the next class, we will discuss them in my next video. So for now, please subscribe and share so others may also know these procedures, these solutions, which they may use as reference. Okay, thank you.